everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna draw this laughing crying emoji guy. To get his head perfectly round, I'm gonna use my trick. I'm gonna use this little plate. You can use a little plate. You can use anything else that is round and just trace it around like I'm tracing my plate, or just freehand-it and do your best at getting a good circle. Alright, so here's my circle. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw his big giant smile. So about halfway through this circle, I'm gonna draw this smile. It's not a very big giant curve, but it's not a straight line either. And then from here, I'm gonna go down and follow the curve of his circle shaped body head. I'm not sure if it's a body or head of this circle and get the bottom of a smile. So when you do the bottom of the smile, you kind of want the same distance here, here, and here from the big circle. And don't worry if it's not perfect. The first time you try, you using a pencil, so you can always correct yourself, erase the lines later and fix it. Okay, once you have the smile, we're gonna do the eyes. So figure out where the middle of your circle is, and you're gonna have one eye on one side and the other eye on the other side. And these things are like upside down extended U's. So, and here we're gonna round it on the corners and draw the bottom part of the eye. And in the corners, it's less fat than on in the middle. So just thicken it up as you need it. And same thing here. I'm gonna round up the corners, do the middle part, and thicken up the middle if I need to. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so once you have the eyes, we're gonna draw the eyebrows. And the eyebrows are just these little curved lines. So the bottom is more straight and then the top part is a little more curved. And you're gonna do that on both sides. And the final piece that we need is his tears. They come out from the corners of his eyes and they are pretty big. So don't be afraid. Make him come off his face to the side. And they're U-shaped at the bottom, and then they come up to the point at his eye. And you're gonna do that on both sides. So they come up to the tip, up top here, and then they're like a U at the bottom. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. I have drawn my laughing crying emoji. I'm gonna come in now with my eraser and erase these lines inside the tears because they're under the tears, so you can't see them. And I'm also gonna erase all the extra lines I've put here that I don't need. And then to color him, I'm gonna use a yellow marker for the whole entire body. I'm gonna use 3 different color blues for the tears. So you can see here's the lightest blue, then the middle blue, and the dark blue for the outline. And I'm gonna use 2 browns, the lighter brown to color and the darker brown to outline. Feel free to use markers like I'm using markers or pencils. You can also use paint or crayons. Oh look, I just realized I totally forgot to show you to draw the teeth. So somewhere underneath this smile, in a distance about that big, you're gonna draw a second smile and then leave it out wide, and that will be his big teeth that you can see. Okay, so here you have it. My crying laughing emoji's done. He's laughing and crying. I hope you liked my video. If so, please make sure to remember give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see my next video. I hope to see you soon.